Hi, welcome back again, my dear friend. This is Ankur Agarwal. Now, again, I am coming back to the most important video which can be helpful for the persons or individuals or organization, those who are looking for the digital certificate or maybe some digital signature for their operation work. So this website, please welcome back again in my YouTube channel, Education and Research. My name is Ankur Agarwal. Here I would like to present the most important video for everyone. So please share, subscribe, comment, like, whatever you feel. Thank you so much. Let's start. So my dear friend, cca.gov.in, this is the website. The full form of this website is that Controller of Certifying Authorities, and this comes under the Ministry of Electronic and Information Technology, which is owned by the Government of India. So let's understand little bit about what is CCA is all about. So under the section 18 of the Information Technology Act 2000, that required the legal sensitivity to the digital signatures based on the asymmetric crypto system. The digital signatures are allowed to be accepted as per with handwritten signatures, and the electronic documents that have been digitally signed are treated at par with paper documents. So it is important that all the government organizations, those who are signing their document, it must be digitally signed. And if you want to purchase anything online from the government in the bulk in the procurement process, so this is the most important part. So under the IT Act, the Controller Certifying Authority is the license and regulate certifying authority. So if you want to purchase any digital signatures, if you want to publish your digital signature, you need to get a license from CCA. So let's start. What kind of the certificates are there? Because CCA certifies the public key of certifying authorities using to own private key, which enables the users to the cyberspace to verify the given certificate issued by the licensed CA. For this purpose, it operates the Root Certifying Authority of India. The CCA also maintains the repository of digital certificate, which contain all the certificate issued by the CAs in the country. So let's start. Before going to that, let's understand the organization structure of this CCA. So this is the Minister of ENIT. Under this MOS ENIT, Secretary CCA, Deputy Controller, Assistant Controller, and the technical officers. So let's go for the Root CA of India. So Root CA of India, it's let's click on it. You can have a look. What is that? The license issues of the CA is digitally signed by the CCA, and all public key corresponding to the signing private keys of the CA are digitally signed by the CCA, and that these keys are signed by the CCA can be verified by the relying party through the CCA's website or CA's own website. Let's come back to again Root CA of India. Now this is a certificate practice statement. So you can go that RCI CPS version 4.2. Here you can get an PDF. Just you can click on it, RCI CPA PDF, and you can go through it, all the process. You can have a basic idea what other things are there. So just you can look into this PKI, participants, authorities, surveys, certificate usage, policy administrations, publications and PKI repository responsibilities, repository obligations, publications of CA information, and the type of names, identification and the name authentications, types of name, needs of the names to be meaningful, anonymity of subscribers, rules and interpreting various names form, uniqueness of names. So these are the things you can go through that particular document. It's a very huge document. If you feel, you can look into these documents for your information. So let's coming back again. So again Root CA of India, I'm coming back. This is the root certificate. Under this root certificate, you can look into this. We have two certificates. Root certificates are there. It's a 2015 SPL and it is valid on 29th of January 2025. You can download here, and this is the latest URL. Same kind of the CCA India 2014, which is valid on 5th of March 2024. So here it's some of the guidelines. You can go through the guidelines like CCA IOG for interoperability guidelines for digital signatures, X.509 certificate policy of India, PKI, and identify verification guidelines. These are the PDF you can download here and look into these in more detail, because this is not a long video, but I cannot cover everything, but I feel that this is just for your understanding of how to get a certificate and who is the certifying authority where you can approach. So this is time stamping certificate guidelines for CAs, PK CS7 CMS signature profile, XML signature profile, OCSP service guideline for CA, guideline for issuance of SSL certificate, and OID hierarchy of India PKI. So I hope so that PKI guidelines you can go through it one by one. And this is another is for the CA licensing infrastructure guideline. So CA site specifications, storage of private key, security requirements of crypto devices, CA licensing guidelines, submission of the certificate and CRLs, CA CPS template, and audit criteria of certifying authority. So my friends, please go through these guidelines, and I hope so these guidelines can be useful to you. And if you have any queries, these are the FAQ sections are there, and some of the questions you can look into this, like whether the CCA issue digital certificates to the end entities, how do I get a digital signature certificate. So this is the URL, you can get the digital signature certificate from here itself. And what are the identify verification options available to the DSC. So the identify verification option available DSC applicants are these certifying authorities. You can ask to them, and you can one by one visit to them, and even they have a contact number along with the mail IDs. So my friends, so please look into these things. I hope you like my videos. Please share, subscribe, and share to the persons and individual organization though who's actually looking for the digital certificate and little detail about it. And please comment if you have any queries. Definitely I'll resolve as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Bye, take care.